Happy Palakasan 2018. O daghang salamat for taking your time kumari dire. Isang holiday, labaw na itong mga...
Morning guys, good morning. It's morning today. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. I'm Genevieve. Please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. And by the way guys, may pupuntahan tayo mamaya sa MSU-NAAWAN. May guest sila doon na si Medyo Maldito, or real name is si Roy Ukat. Yun guys, pupunta tayo mamaya. And ngayon, maliligo ako. Nasa labas ako ng bahay guys. Yan. Nasa bukid kami. See? See? Okay guys. See you maya. Okay guys, punta na tayo sa MSU-NAAWAN ngayon at saka magsasakyan tayo, pero hanggang terminal lang kasi wala akong cash. So, punta kami ng city at saka ihatid kami sa terminal at saka mag-commute kami ni Daryl. Kasi na-confirm ni Daryl na may ticket pa sa meet and greet ni Medyo Maldito, ni Roy. Nakikiwak kayo, no? Kiwajit kayo, may Medyo Maldito. See you! Guys, punta tayo ng MSU-NAAWAN. Kita-kits! Book sila guys, mausang nila pagsunod. Isay mo baba ni Christy. Pag binabahay namin kita na. Hi guys, manulong namin NAAWAN. Nagwasa namin guys, they're ready magsamahan. See you sa NAAWAN. Palakasan ay karon guys sa MSU-NAAWAN and awarding nila karon na gabi na almi guys. Gabi na. Yan. Mamaya si Medyo Maldito. Ayan, baka nandito si Snake Princess. Yes! Itong ito ako guys. Excited much. Hindi pa nag-start si Maldito and naghihintay kami sa start nila. Ayan, nag-awarding pa kasi guys. Yan sa likod ko. Okay, palakasan nga pala ngayon ng MSU-NAAWAN. Mindanao State University guys. Kita-kits!
For the top art competition. Their place goes to CSE winners. Second place is no other than igawa sa inyong inikta na kaayo ka, Mentors.
Awarding niya sa guys sa Daghang Palakasan 2018 diri sa NAAWAN. MSU-NAAWAN guys. Mindanao State University. Yan guys, awarding nila.
Third place goes to CSE winners.
Okay guys, kuhaon na ito akong eyeglass kay grabe ka reflection, no? Then taas kay linya dahil so diri mo taas kay linya. Dili makita kay ngit-ngit as in taas jud ang linya para kang Medyo Maldito. Hello! Ang fans din ni Medyo Maldito si Tatay. Show your ticket tay. Ayan! Support kami sa iyo, Medyo Maldito. Ayan si Tatay. Okay.
Wan! Wali ko to! Tarungan na ninyo! Happy birthday, MSU-NAAWAN! Sabi ko anak!
Hey Crash? Hey Crash?
And Twitter when it's witty, straightforward, and sometimes harsh. Reality bites about friends, falling in love, moving on, and many more. His melons evolves from simple tweets and codes to everyday situations, and now to the Inday Hugot series. So Medyo Maldito's humor and charm has a 200,000 strong follower with an account of likes and shares of his pictures and video posts on Facebook and Twitter. Aside from being a social media sensation, he is also a very talented songwriter. In partnership with award-winning composer Jude Hitamundo, he co-wrote the BISTAGLISH 2015 entry sa Imong Heart and the very popular Hugot song, Ha 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 Hasula. About love and life. But mind you, he is actually a real life shy guy who is never a maldito, but instead a real gentleman. So, please welcome with a warm applause. Let's give it up for Hugot, aka Medyo Maldito!
Fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm a lonely stranger. I can't believe she's mine. Now all I see is you with fresh eyes. Fresh eyes.
Okay, naman na. Ito na, Vic.